My name is Hever Hernandez, and today I'm going to show you how to do a stop motion. A stop motion is putting a string of pictures together frame by frame to give it an impression of movement. Now when I start a stop motion, I usually go and see what type of figure I'll use. Once I'm done picking out my figure, I'll go to my filming area and start building a set for my stop motion. To build a set, I use DVD boxes, game boxes, and books. For example, when I'm making a set, I start out with floors and walls and put props and other things to make it look interesting. Then, finally, once I have everything I need to film, I now begin with my stop motion. Since I don't have a camera, I use the Stop Motion Studio app to make my stop motions. I take a picture, then slowly move the character, then take a picture again. It may take about 18 shots just to do about 4 seconds of footage. One thing you don't want to do during your stop motion is accidentally dropping your figure, because it can ruin a single frame of the stop motion. When it comes to voice acting, I usually only ever use myself. But when it comes to that, I click on the microphone option and then click on record. It'll give you a countdown of 3 seconds, and then you start recording, and then you start saying what you want in the mic. And once you're finished with the story, you should be finished with your stop motion. There are many other ways to do a stop motion animations, but I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to do one, and hope the process helped you in a good way. And in the meantime, have a great day.
Oh, Joker, I'm gonna get your food. Oh, you better not. Whoa, it's Joker's cool things. I think I hear him coming. Oh well, Sonic isn't here. I guess I shall leave. Huh, he's gone. I thought I told you not to go in my room. Okay, sorry.